Okay, good morning student. Welcome back. 10th B Science 1. First we will do the question answer of chapter 6. Numerical also. Then we will do numericals of heat, chapter number 7. 6 sorry. So chapter number 6 question answer. Refractive index, I am reading page number 79. Refractive index depend on dash of the light, speed, actually speed and direction both, but speed is more appropriate word. Second, fill in the blanks. They have given the definition of refraction. Change in direction. The word fill in the blank will come direction. Change in the direction of the light ray while going from one transparent media to another transparent media. So answer number 1 speed, answer number 2 direction. 3. If angle of incident and angle of emergent of light ray falling on the glass slab are I and E respectively, prove that I is equal to E. How to prove? Draw one cube. Take here normal, take here normal. Join this. This is a refractive ray. From air to glass, so this angle should be bigger compared to this. And this angle should be bigger compared to this. Incident, refracted, emergent. So from air to glass, how much it decrease? That much angle will increase from glass to air. So this and this will be parallel. So that I is equal to E. Rainbow is a combination of effect of refraction, dispersion, the total internal reflection. All three together at a time in rainbow. Refraction, when ray of light pass from one transparent media to another transparent media, it changes the direction, and because of that change in the direction, it appears on opposite side of the sun. Second, reflection, that will pass from the triangular prism bubble of water vapor. That is why it is reflection also. Dispersion, white ray split up into 7 constituent color. That is why it is dispersion. What is the definition of dispersion? When a white ray of light pass through prism, it split up into 7 color. So that 7 color appears on cloud, half circle. Terms and condition I have given only in rainy season. If you can see on morning, it will be in west opposite to the sun. If it is appeared at evening time, it will be in east opposite to the sun. On the cloud, always half circle, 7 colors split up. Humidity should be more than 60 degree. These are the condition. and the humidity, water vapor, dew, it will act as a triangular prism. Through that, refraction, reflection, dispersion take place. Question number 3, first mark, very important. Twinkling of star. Star are like sun only, but compared to sun, star distance is more. So there are different media: vacuum, rare media, medium media, dense media. So 3-4 times multiple refraction take place from one media to another media. So because of dispersion, because of reflection, because of refraction, it is a point source. So sometime source of light reach to your eyes at that time on. Sometime because of the refraction, source of point light will not come to your eyes, so you can't see. So twinkling. Explosion occurring in the star from time to time. Again, large distance for different type of concentration of the media: vacuum media, very rare media, ekdam patla, then medium, then heavy, dense. So vacuum media, rare media, medium media, dense media. So multiple refraction take place. So time to time it will change. Absorption of light in Earth atmosphere. From this we have to find out the correct one. Okay, no problem. Absorption of the light in the Earth atmosphere, that is the reason of rainbow? No. Or the twinkling of light? No. Motion of the star, because of that twinkling of star is possible. Rahul, wait, Bitcha. Even you are not giving me the reminder. Okay, after this lecture, no, including this lecture, I'll send, and I have prepared all that Google solution also. Motion of the star, because of the motion of the stars are twinkling? No. Changing refractive index of the atmosphere gases? Yes. Last one is the appropriate answer. That because of the different media, change in the refractive index at distance to distance. We can see the sun even when it is little below the horizon. Because of the refraction of the light, it will be not the straight, it will be the cross. So before sunshine, actual sunshine, scientifical, 2 minutes before, and after sunset, actual sunset, till 2 minutes. So before sunset, before sunrise, 2 minutes more we can see. After sunset, 2 more minutes we can see. So total 4 minutes we can see sun more time because of refraction. It is a cross. During the sunset and sunrise time, it is closer to the earth. Cross ray are coming, so refraction take place. Refraction, yes. Reflection also, yes. Dispersion also, yes. Absorption of light, that is not correct answer. If the refractive index of a glass with respect to the air is 3/2, what is the refractive index of air with respect to glass? Refractive index of glass with respect to air. Glass divided by air, if it is 3/2, then air by glass, it is 3/2 it is given, so it is 2/3, inverse. Correct. So only you have to find out the answer, which answer is correct. what is given and velocity of glass with respect to air, it is given 3 by 2. Correct. So refractive index with glass to air, it will be reverse. Okay. Now, speed of light in medium is 1.5. So, we can say speed in air, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. It is not given, but you have to consider. Velocity 1, velocity 2. In medium, 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So refractive index is equal to velocity 1 divided by velocity 2. So 3 into 10 raised to 8, 1.5 into 10 raised to 8. So this will cancel. 3 by 1.5, it is 30 by 15, it is 2. One time I have asked the question that why, see here you can find the unit, speed of light in air, 3 lakh kilometer. 3 lakh kilometer, but I have written meter, so 3 into 10 raised to 8. In lakh, 5 zeros, but it is converted into kilometer to meter, so more 3 zeros, so 5 plus 3, 8. Dhruv, what is this in your DP? Speed of light in air 3 lakh kilometer, but in meter 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Unit, it has unit. Speed of light in another media, can be water, can be glass, can be glycerin, diamond, another media. That is also given 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter. But the refractive index, we are just writing, see in that table also given, water 1. Sorry, it is disturbed. Now clear? My question is, we are writing unit for speed in air, unit for speed in medium. We are not writing unit for refractive index. In that table I have mentioned air to air it is 1.0001, air to water is 1.31, in ice it is 1.33, in simple common glass 1.5, in diamond 2.42. So only numbers are there, no unit. So they will ask one very intelligent question: why refractive index have no unit? Why we are not writing refractive index in unit? We are just writing number, not kilo, not liter, Newton, dyne. Why? Because refractive index, it is a ratio of same unit. Just like 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 8 cut, meter per second cut. So when you are finding a ratio of same unit, at that time, answer will be without unit. Whenever they will write for this, why we are not writing unit, you have to write it is a ratio of same unit. So meter by meter cancel, centimeter by centimeter cancel, like that. Here meter per second cancel, kilogram cancel. Both numerator and denominator are having with same units, so units will be cancelled. Hello, hello. Now, hello. Now, now. So it is cutting. Wait. No. Here Bluetooth. Now it is okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Now it is clear. It is clear voice.
Arey, but direct voice is coming. No.
No, sir.
Bluetooth automatically close.
Sir, the video quality is not good.
Okay. This is a very good question that why there is no unit for refractive index, because refractive index it is a ratio of two same units, so the units will cancel. Here too it is given. Now the absolute refractive index glass and water, speed in water, speed in glass, that is given 3 by 2. Refractive index 2. Refractive index of glass means velocity in air, velocity in glass, that is 3 by 2. Refractive index 2, it is given velocity of air with velocity of water, 4 by 3. Now we have to find refractive index of glass with respect to water. N1, N2. Velocity of air, velocity of glass, velocity of air, velocity of water. 3 by 2, 4 by 3. 3 by 2. Inward. Is 9 by 8. No need to find, it is 1.1, 2 like this. But you have to write in this 9 by 8 form. So these are the numerical question answer of chapter number 6. Now this. First class, let me erase this. Okay, we will complete how much the time permit. Equal heat is given to the substance A and B. For 1 gram, temperature of A increased by 3 and B increased by C. What will be the more which object have more specific heat capacity and by what fraction? Type A, B. Mass 1 gram, 1 gram. Delta T मतलब from starting to ending, increasing or decreasing, difference in the temperature. 3 degree temperature, 5 degree temperature. 5 degree centigrade, 3 days. Which specific heat capacity, it is 3, it is 5. Which is more? Specific heat capacity of B is more. How many times more with compared to the second? By which factor? By 5 by 3, it is more. 5 by 3 means 1.666. So compared to this, it is 1.666 more. So which is bigger, how much is bigger, that you have to find. Ammonia is used in ice factory for making ice from the water. If water at 20 degree is to be converted into 2 kg ice at 0 degree, by how many gram of the ammonia are to be evaporized? It's no need to do this heat exchange formula, especially they are asking. The thermally insulated pot, 150 gram ice at the temperature 0 degree. How much steam of 100 grams has to be mixed so that the water temperature should be 50 gram? This calorimeter, water substance, MC, T1, T2, delta T. Calorimeter has a mass of 100 gram. Specific heat capacity, 0.1 kilocalorie per kilogram degree centigrade, containing 250 liquid, 250 gram, and this is water. It is given 0.4 kilo. A liquid at 30 degree, having this 30 degree starting 30 degree, 30 degree. You drop a piece of ice of mass 10 at 0 degree. What will be the temperature of mixture? This is 1. What will be the temperature of mixture? At the end, the mixture temperature will be same. So from 0 it will increase. So x minus 0. This will decrease. 30 minus x. 30 minus x. This is Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3. This and this will release the energy, will be accepted by ice. So Q1 plus Q2, it is Q3. So MCQ, MC delta T plus MC delta T plus MC is equal to MC delta T plus MQ. Because it is a ice, first it will melt, then temperature release. So M, this is 100, C 0.1, difference this is 250, 0. This is not, L is not given, so I will not take this. Okay, 0.4, 30 minus x, M, C, T, and this is dot only, means product. This into this means 10 times x, 30 minus x. This into this 1000, so 100. This is release point, remove 0, 25 4 is 100. This is 10x, so remove 0 0 0, so it is 11 times 30 minus x is equal to x. 330 minus 11 x is equal to x. 330 12x. So x is equal to 330 divided by 12. Just make it half. So it will be 20.8. 20.8 it is. Calorimetric sums are very useful, very important. Generally they ask this. Q is equal to, why we are writing mCt, heat, gain or release. Heat absorbed or heat release is equal to what? M stands for mass, C stands for specific heat capacity, delta T stands for change in temperature. Means if it is from 50 to 70, then also you will write 20 degree. But if it is from 30 degree to 10 degree, it is increasing, it is decreasing, then only you will write 20 degree. So no plus, no minus, delta T means the difference. Follow?